Hello friends, welcome to a new video, and this product is Wave. Yeah, but it's quite actually confusing because it should have at least second name. It don't. Their website is grabwave.net. Now, before we begin this video, if you are new to this channel, do one thing: only watch this video if you can stick till the end. So please guys, if you cannot watch the video till the end, leave now. It's not for stupid people. So you can only get information or knowledge from this video if you stick to the end. If you are wondering here, there's no use for being on this video if you can't stick to the end. Right, thank you. Now let's begin with this review, and this is the website grabwave.net. Now it says here that not 100% automated store. So 100% automated store. Fuel it with traffic from 100 sources. No hosting, no domains needed. That's fine. No tech skills. Everything's fine. 180-day money back guarantee. Fine. Plus get results or get paid $100 free auto respond included. Okay, all right. Now first of all, automated. Fine, automated. Fuel it with traffic from 100 sources. Now, do you know what are those 100 sources? There will be maybe Quora, maybe Reddit, maybe Facebook, maybe Pinterest, and all they're trying to do is that you have to go and spam those websites. So you have to put your affiliate links on Quora, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, whatever, and then eventually what will happen is you will get your account shut down. That's all it's going to happen. So you will never make a single dime. Now, no tech skills needed because you are not techie. That's why you're on their website thinking that you will buy something and you will get rich. Forget about that. So technically, in short, all I'm trying to say, this is a bogus product. This is a scam product. And it's like they are there to make money, not you. So this is all fake. You see here all these amounts and everything. Anybody can paste any picture on the website and say that I have made this kind of money. It's all scam, guys. And here you can see it's a dodgy website. I'll prove it actually. So I'm not just saying it's dodgy, I'll prove it in front of you right now. So this is all theory. You can go through, get results now and this and that. I'll not waste my time in going through the website. In simple, it's a scam, but here let's prove how this website is scam. So if I copy this URL, it's grabwave.net, copy, and then I'm going to another website which is hrefs.com/backlink-checker. You will get to this screen, you paste the URL, and then you click on check backlinks, and you click on I'm a robot, and then here you'll see what is the credibility of the website. So it shows you the domain rating, it shows you the backlinks, and it shows you referring domains. So the domain rating is 0.1. Now the domain rating is actually it's out of 100. So this website has a website domain rating of 0.1. It's not even 1. So you can just imagine you're buying something from a website which has got an authority of less than 1. It's like 99.9. it's in minus, so it's only 0.1 out of 100, and the number of backlinks is only 7, referring domains is only 4. So technically this website has no online presence. It's not trustable, it's not trustworthy. I'll prove you how, because if I take the website, for example, if you take the website Warrior Plus, right? So warriorplus.com, and then we're gonna check the authority of this website, not a robot, and then you can see the information about Warrior Plus. So the warriorplus.com has domain rating of 85. Okay, so this is how you should trust a website from where you're going to do some business. So Warrior Plus got 85 rating, which means it's trusted. It's okay to buy something from Warrior Plus until and unless it's a genuine product. But if you buy something from this website grabwave.com, they're fairly new, they have no online presence, they know nothing about SEO, they cannot increase their own domain rating, and they're falsely claiming to make you rich, which is like scamming you. So apart from that, let's quickly check our website. Our website is readainfotech.com. You will find the link in the description below. And let's check the authority of our website, and it has got 56 out of 100. We are not at least 0.1, right? So we are doing a lot better than this GrabWave thing. So our domain rating is 56, Warrior Plus is 85. So we are behind Warrior Plus because we are not that big. But of course, here we have some online presence. So it is 56. These are number of backlinks, and these are number of referring domains. Now, if you guys have if you guys have any website, let's say you have any website, you have any blog, and what you will do is you will need to increase the domain authority of your website, of your blog, if you want to get more traffic. So what you need to do is you need to have backlinks. You need to have referring domains for your website. So let's say if your website has got the domain rating only 5 or 10, so that's not going to give you any traffic. What you need to do is you need to get your website domain rating above 50 at least. And that's where we can help you. We can actually get your domain rating above 50 in 3 to 4 weeks. Let's say if your domain rating is 0 right now, then we can get your website rating up to 50 within a month, but that will cost you some money. That will cost you, huge money. You can ask us in the email how much. And then there's an option if you only need few backlinks. Let's say you got, we have backlinks from 648. So if you need like 10 backlinks, 20 backlinks, so you can buy those backlinks from us. I'll show you actually what I'm talking about. So let's say if you go to this tool, which is called Hrefs, and this is our website. So in total, you can see this is our the rating and everything. Now we need to go into referring domains here actually, so that you can find out. And also what you need is whenever you go and buy backlinks, you need do follow only. So I'm clicking on do follow, and here you can see these are those referring domains from where I'm getting backlinks. So I'm getting backlinks from blogger.com. Now the domain rating of blogger.com is 94. I'm getting backlink from Google Trends. I'm getting backlink from BigCardinal. I'm getting backlinks from ShinyStat. So these websites has domain rating of 94, 93, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, right? So do you imagine, do you want to get backlinks from these high authority websites for your blogs, for your website itself? Right? If you do, then drop us an email, visit our website, order your package, because we can get you backlinks from these high authority websites which has domain rating of 90 plus, which has domain rating of 80 plus. So if you want to buy those backlinks, contact us as soon as possible. And also if you want your domain rating to go from 0 to 50 within a month, contact us. We'll tell you the package, and you can get the package, and we'll get your domain rating to 50 in 4 weeks. Nobody else in the world can do that, but that's going to cost you for sure. So do leave your comments, and we'll drop an email. We will drop our email in the comment section in the description. You can contact us on the email. You can contact us through our website on the chat. And this we will end this video for now. Do not buy this grabwave.net. It's only garbage. You are only going to end up losing your money. If you want to invest in long term, then grow your website, grow your blog, buy backlinks, get the domain rating. And if you have any questions, just contact us on the on our website or in the email, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.